Just as fire is necessary in cooking. In order to make the thing siddha, cooked, it's called siddha. Today rice, siddhanayu. Siddhanayu means it's not cooked properly. It should have been another 15 minutes with a little more water on the fire. But the servant was anxious, and you are also anxious to eat. You are very bored. Eat or eat. Not cooked properly. That doesn't mean that fire alone is no. All other sadhana is necessary. Going to the bazaar, purchasing, and all that necessary. And the last thing that makes it cooked to taste is fire. Just as without fire, cooking is not possible. Without jnana, moksha is not. Moksha na siddhyati. In the same way, of all other sadhanas, means, karma, bhakti, jnana, all these are means to unload the vasanas and quieten the mind and make it more and more contemplative. The one means by which total liberation from this plane of consciousness in which we are is by directly awakening and knowing that great knowledge. Sakshat moksha, or the dreamer, is only when he wakes up. Temporarily he may try to save himself from death or disease or whatever it is in the dream. But Sakshat moksha, actual liberation of the dreamer, comes from all sorrows of the dream, comes only when he wakes up and realizes that I am the waker, not the dreamer that I thought I am or I was. Without that direct knowledge, moksha is never. Don't say that I have been a social worker for 25 years, wasted. I have been a great devotee, wasted. I know all the Upanishads, another wasted. All the means are used. By collecting material necessary for building your house, you cannot live comfortably. Material are for the bricks are there, wood is there, cement is here, and I sit in the middle of it. Material must be collected, then they must be built up, and the house is made, then housewarming ceremony, and then you enter alone. You can peacefully live. Similarly, with all these activities or karma, jnana, bhakti, you are only reducing the vasana, thereby bringing the mind and intellect into a good poise and balance. With that mind you have to contemplate, and through contemplation, don't say that I am contemplating something. 2 hours, 3 hours nowadays, meditation, regularly I meditate. What's the use? You, so long as you are only meditating, you are not reached there. Of all other paths, not that they are less, they have to be practiced. But compare with that, or don't say that I have reached there because I have been a great sadhana. The one means by which sakshat moksha, actual liberation can take place is only by bodha, by direct knowledge, by waking up.